Well, hello there and welcome to the kitchen garden. Today we're talking about 10 vegetables you can sow right now for a bountiful harvest, even as the season turns. These are all vegetables I grow myself, and they are not only easy to grow but also incredibly delicious. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, grab your trowels and seeds and join me as we discover the top 10 vegetables you should be planting right now. First up, we have the humble carrot. Carrots are versatile and store well, meaning you can enjoy them throughout the winter months. Sow them in loose, sandy soil that's been well raked and free of stones, and thin them out once they start to germinate. Next, we have lettuce, the king of the salad bowl. Lettuce is a cut-and-come-again crop, so you can harvest the outer leaves throughout the growing season. Sow your lettuce seeds in shallow drills, about half an inch deep, and keep the soil moist. If you're looking for a vegetable that's quick and easy to grow, then look no further than the radish. These little beauties can be ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks. Sow your radish seeds directly into the ground, about half an inch deep, and thin them out to an inch apart once they germinate. Spinach is a true nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. It's versatile and can be eaten raw in salads, cooked, or added to smoothies. Sow the seeds about half an inch deep in rows that are 12 inches apart. Peas are a delightful addition to any garden, and they're incredibly easy to grow. Sow your pea seeds about an inch deep and 2 inches apart in early spring. Peas need something to climb on, so provide them with support like twigs, netting, or a trellis. Beets are a root vegetable that can be eaten raw, cooked, or pickled. They have a sweet, earthy flavor and are relatively easy to grow. Sow your beet seeds about an inch deep and 3 inches apart. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's incredibly easy to grow. It's a cool weather crop that can be sown in early spring or late summer. Kale is very hardy and can even withstand frost. Sow your kale seeds about half an inch deep and thin them out to about a foot apart. Green beans are a staple in many gardens, and for good reason. They're prolific producers and can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or canned. Sow your green bean seeds about an inch deep and 3 inches apart after the last frost. Zucchini is a type of summer squash known for its prolific growth. It's a warm weather crop that should be sown directly into the ground after the last frost. Zucchini plants are large and sprawling, so give them plenty of space. Cucumbers are a refreshing and hydrating vegetable perfect for summer. They're a warm weather crop that should be sown directly into the ground after the last frost. Cucumbers need something to climb on, so provide them with a trellis or other support. Well, there you have it, my friends. 10 fantastic vegetables you can sow right now to keep your kitchen garden productive. Gardening is a journey, not a race, so take your time and enjoy the process. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the fruits of your labor, so get out there, get your hands dirty, and start planting. Happy gardening!